Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Happy New Year to everyone. If you're a new subscriber, you are welcome. If you are also an old subscriber, thanks for stopping by. In today's video, we'll be making a healthy pineapple juice. This juice is good for children and also for adults. Please keep watching to the end of this video to see how we achieved a very good healthy pineapple juice. I will also be telling you the health benefits of pineapple juice. Please keep watching to the end of this video to get every information about this juice. Thank you. You can see from the video, my pineapple are well washed, diced into small chunks. I diced my apple. I added a little bit of ginger for taste and flavor. I juiced out my pineapple, added my apple and my ginger. Can you see how it looks after juicing? I'll be going ahead to juice my cucumber. But before I forget, do you know that pineapple contains vitamin A, vitamin K, calcium and zinc that can work wonders in fighting many diseases? It's an enriched source of vitamin C, which helps in maintaining a healthy immune system. Here are some of the health benefits of pineapple. Treating cough and cold, strengthening bones, good for teeth, prevents cancer, aids in digestion, good for your eyes, reduce symptoms of arthritis, helps in preventing hypertension, contains antioxidants. Pineapple is good for your skin. Pineapple is good for your health. It's also good for your skin and for your hair too. Pineapple has an anti-aging properties. The older you are getting, your skin begins to lose its glow and you begin to develop wrinkles. However, pineapple can make you look younger and delay cells from dying. It enriches the source of antioxidants and vitamin C. It says to boost your immune and keep you energized. The thing about consuming a pineapple juice is that it will make your skin smooth, adds an extra layer of youngness over it. It can also add a few drops of lemon to it, and this will multiply the benefits of anti-aging. Pineapple prevents pimple, treats black spots. Do you know that pineapple thickens your hair? Pineapple has these thickening properties that makes your hair strong and avoid hair fall. Pineapple causes inflammation in scars. If you are suffering from inflammation in scars, if you are suffering from several itches, all you need to do is to try some pineapple and you will give an instant relief. Please, if you have watched this video to this point and it's useful and helpful to you, please try as much as you can, smash on that notification bell, subscribe to my channel. Go to this comment section, comment, tell me the benefits you know about pineapple juice. And please don't forget to keep watching our video. Turn on your notification bell to know when we'll be posting a new video. And don't forget to serve this juice chilled. You can add in your ice cube at this point. We are done juicing. Look at the way it looks. Sip the vibrant flavor of this homemade juice, refreshing and well packed with nutrients. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.